this afternoon. So I'm going to give you a short video of what you're going to be doing in class today while I'm gone. So first thing today, it's the end of the week. So you're going to have your week 6 evaluation. You can use your notebook on it. Make sure you have your notebook so that you can reference all of the stuff that we've did this week. The Monday station work, Tuesday's lab, you don't have anything from it, but you can remember that we played Battleship. And then yesterday's station work with explaining the families. I also have periodic tables up at the front table. So if you want to grab one of these and use it for your evaluation, your quiz, you can, and then return it to the front table so others can use it. So your quiz is only 4 questions today, so it won't take you the whole time. To get it done. So after you're done with your quiz, what I want you to start doing is I want you to start preparing for your Term 1 test, which will be next Tuesday. On your Term 1 test, you cannot use your notebook. So we've evaluated from our notebook, and now we have a bigger evaluation that you're not going to be using your notebook on. But what you can use is you can use your Term 1 learning target sheets. Anything you write on here is fair game for your test next Tuesday. So I just wanted to walk you through one of the boxes and how to fill it in so that it is going to be helpful for you for your test. So I'm going to be going, you can see my screen here. I'm going to just be typing in some things that you could put on to your learning target sheet to help you figure out, or that will be helpful for you on your test. So I'm going to do learning target 4 with you to give you an example of the things I'm expecting you to put on the sheet. So learning target 4 says, I know what density is and how to calculate and apply my findings to known values. And then it breaks it down into some more specifics. This means I can calculate the density of an unknown substance using the mass and volume measurements. This also means I know substances have unique densities and I can identify substances based on their identity. So what I'm going to do with that information is I'm going to say, okay, what do I already know about density? Or what can I look in my notebook and find about density to put on my learning target sheet to be helpful for me when I'm taking my test on Tuesday? So maybe I say that density is equal to mass divided by volume. And then I can say mass is measured in grams. Volume is measured in milliliters or centimeters cubed. And then, so that tells me, okay, based on knowing the mass and volume measurements, I could solve for density. You might also want to put your density triangle on there. So if you had to solve for one of the other variables, you would know how to do so. And then the other part of the learning target says, this means I know substances have unique densities and I can identify them based on their densities. So this is like on one of your quizzes, you had a chart that had like vegetable oil and glycerin, and you had to figure out density, and then based on that density, you could look at the chart and figure it out. So I could say, like, if I am given a chart of densities, I can identify a substance. And I can say that that was on, it was about making a birthday cake. It was the birthday cake problem from week 3 quiz. On Monday, I'm going to give you all your quizzes back so that anything that you wanted to put from your quiz onto your learning target sheet, you can do that. So this is what I want you to be doing today after your quiz, filling out as much information and putting it on the learning target sheets so they're useful for you for your quiz on Tuesday. Monday, we'll give a little bit of time to fill these out, and then we will review together as a class so we're ready for our test on Tuesday. So sorry I couldn't be here today, but I hope that you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.